When you turn on the air conditioning in the car, that engages a clutch on the air conditioning compressor. Inside the air conditioning compressor, the refrigerant is compressed and becomes a hot, high-pressure gas. The hot, high-pressure gas is pumped into the condenser, and inside the condenser, it condenses and becomes a cooler, high-pressure liquid. Now that liquid travels up through some devices into the evaporator of the car, where it decompresses, evaporates, and becomes cool. And then goes back into the compressor, and the refrigerant gets used over and over again. The air is blown through the evaporator with a device called a blower motor, and the air is blown through the condenser with a device called a cooling fan.